Hello everyone and welcome back to this brand new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Indigo to get more credits on your MCHost account. So first let me grab my Discord ID and then I'm going to use that to get my ID for the website. And as you can see, things were updated and it now loads. But now the question is, how do we possibly use this and get more credits? Well, there is something you can do. Let me disable my ad blocker because it may interfere with something. And we're just going to copy this link. Now I am using Microsoft Edge Beta. It will not matter what you're using. And we are just going to click private window, mainly known as Indigo. And we are just going to paste this and let it load. And after this page gets done loading, we can actually come up here and duplicate this tab, and we have to make sure we drag it out of the browser so it registers as a different one. And this is all that's to it. That's all you have to do on this video. It takes about 1 hour to get some credits, and I don't think you want to wait an hour. So thank you all for tuning into this small tutorial. I was asked and also requested by the owner of William. If you don't know who William is a great manager on MCHost.cc. It's a free Minecraft hosting provider, and if you all want to check it out, link is in the description down below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment for more, and I'll see you all in the next video.